good evening and welcome. Good morning, good evening, wherever you are. Oh, we got some mad lineup for you today. Oh, I mean, what the hell? People think it's a Stargate, but I'm not so sure, mate.
Only we can make this right.
Lorraine, I'm a soldier.
It does.
I play by the rules. It's what makes me who I am.
Someone else was saying, right, the one in the middle is a star. The one next to it is not. It was flying around.
That's why I don't want to marry you, because you really don't know what love is.
Oh, come on, this has nothing to do with love.
That's where you're wrong. Love is more powerful than anything else, Valerian.
Taken on the same.
It breaks all rules and laws and overpowers any army or government.
Zoom in, and it is.
Just look at her.
To say the least.
For 1 second, put yourself in her position. She lost all of her people and her child, and she's willing to forgive.
Someone posted it in Brighton.
That's real love. It's the trust you place in someone else, and
it's the same.
I thought I could be that someone else for you.
Same thing, man.
But clearly I
am.
You are. I'd die for you.
I'm not asking you to die for me. I'm asking you to trust me.
Seriously? Just looking at the normal clouds. This was sent to me. We got hammered this morning. I know I mean hammered. Hammered the hell out of. I think that's calm. Got a lady sent it to me. And then, look, it's got sent to Danny. That is in your face, mate. That's an illuminati, eye in the middle, triangle, chemtrail. What the F stuff. That's what that is, mate. I'm telling you now, that is what the F stuff. This was sent to me. Then we've got rainbow at the top, going the other way.
Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of my heaven. You can go down to earth for a time, but get out of my heaven. That's the first step.
Exactly.
And it says that there will be war in heaven, and that Michael and the angels of God will fight Satan and him, and they'll be banished to earth.
Hammered the hell out.
Hold it down. Show some respect, won't you?
I'll divide them, the sheep from the goats. And I'll say to these, come ye blessed of my Father, inherit the kingdom. And I'll say to those, you get to that place that's prepared for the devil and all his angels. And I think those who are rejecting God, and those who are living selfish, godless lives, and those who care not for these things do not realize that they are choosing to live forever with the devil and his angels. That's what makes hell hell. And those who believe in the Lord Jesus, and who believe that
there is a growing citizens movement demanding an explanation of chemtrails.
It's not the same as conducting some localized test or defensive project. This is open air operations. It's not
wow, I'm to do right in it.
This thing is in place.
Yeah, I'm making my pattern going. I need to get knock on
the lonely jet flies high in the sky over nowhere, USA. The sun was shining, it wasn't a cloud, but the chase had to fuck on my day. The steel bird hovers over the horizon at first sight. It might delight until it spews gases that covers the masses. They six expansion without the clue of what happened. To protect or infect, cause that design in the sky was not a part of the forecast. Am I out of my mind to just hide, or did that plane just leave behind a message in the sky? Not the ones you read off the sheet, the ones that wake you right out your sleep, fumbling your speech, stumbling to get up on your feet, cause it appears that your berries are too weak. Sheesh. And this isn't fiction, so to speak, it happens in broad day. You can see it from the streets, suspended in the air for longer than a minute. No contrails, cause by that time it would have diminished. One of the few that stand bare and witness and sense the oxygen interfering with my fitness. Really, how do you protect from such a sickness? Hoping this ain't the beginning of what would you do if I told you that clouds came crashing?
Give it a red smashed it, mate, cause check this. terraforming begun. People are oblivious to it.
Scene for the revenue, bundle it all up and place it on a pedestal while staring
Stay
at
a
the
bit,
world
man.
outside. I'm about to set a new
That's
mission for the masses to see if they got it through. Whatever precipitates the mind to reciprocate. However you
get up here. You see, this is ridiculous. Look how quick it's spreading. Look, he's only there. It's literally there, look. And look how fast that crap is spreading. It's just... Oh, mate. That is nasty, man. Absolutely foul.
Damn, what would you do if I told you that?
The hell is all them waves, man? Harping for the fact. H-A-A-R-P. Bloody hell, mate. Whoa. The state of that crap, man. All everywhere, mate. Absolutely everywhere. Hundreds of X's all over the sky. It's just sad, mate. It's sad. People are oblivious and they let it go on. Don't know if we can stop it, but if everybody realised what the F was going on, I think people would wake up a little bit, at least. What the hell, man? How the hell, what? How the hell is that spread so quick? There's no wind whatsoever. Not one bit of wind. Ain't right, mate. Whoa, that moon is lopsided, mate. Proper lopsided.